Apple has released an update for Mac to macOS Tahoe 26.4. In this video, we will discuss how to update it. You have already received an notification in System Settings regarding software update. Simply click on it to check for macOS Tahoe 26.4 update. However, if you have not received a software update notification, then you can manually check for the update. For that, open System Settings, click on General, then click on Software Update, and here click on Check for Update. And it will show you macOS Tahoe 26.4 update. Simply click on Update Now, accept the license agreement, enter your system password, then click on OK to install the update. Here you can see it is downloading. Wait for the download process to complete. Once the download has been completed, you will get a notification to restart your system. Simply restart your Mac to apply the update. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.